Welcome back to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn about variables. Okay, so what is a variable? In Liquid, variables helping you to store and reuse values. The easiest way to create a variable in Liquid is with the assign tag. We already saw some example like this, so let's try this one. So we're going to create a logic. Remember, to create a logic, we need to use curly brace and percentage sign, and we need to use the assign tag following the name of the variable. All right, so let's give it a try. I will go back to learning.liquid and I'm gonna create a variable. Remember, it is a curly brace like this following the percentage sign, and we're gonna write the assign tag following the name. So let's try the first example. Let's say the one we saw earlier. So my name is John. Okay, just for practice. So this is how we create a variable in Liquid, just like this. Very simple. This is the logic, remember. So if I want now to output this value, I need to use the double curly and to reference the name of the variable. In my case, it is called my name. If I save it, we're going to have John here, just like we did here. All right, so just remember, a variable is just like a container. So this is the container where we are storing a value, a data. In this case is John. Okay, let's try another example. I will say I'm gonna write a variable again using the assign tag, and I'm gonna give it, let's say, product title. Okay, using the camel case, and I'm gonna say it is the product that's title, just like we saw earlier. You can also like reference an object like this, okay, and assign it to a variable. This is the assign symbol. All right, so if now I want to output the value of a product title, I need to use the double curly braces just like this and reference my variable name. In this case is products.title. If I save it, I'm not gonna have anything here because, again, remember the scope. I need to go to collections, and here I need to choose one of the collection randomly. It doesn't really matter. And inside the collection, there is many products. I can choose again randomly any product. And here I'm going to have the product title. And if I want, now we can play with it. And by adding filters, this is for you to practice again. I can say I want this filter to be uppercase, and we're gonna have it here uppercase. We can say we want to add another text after the snowboard. Okay, we can say the collection snowboard is the best. We can chaining another filter and add the append, add the colon, and then we can add the text here. So the append takes one argument, and we can say here the collection snowboard is the best. Is going to be normal case, and then we have it here. All right, and we can just add a space here, and it's going to be like okay, like this. All right, so this is how you create a variable using the assign tag.